In this video, I am downgrading my Acer laptop to my HP laptop. Without further ado, let's roll the intro. What's up guys, welcome back to Cheesy Techie video. So today I am going to downgrade this laptop to this HP laptop. So why am I doing this? Because this laptop has a 5th gen i7. Let me just go to the task manager. There's a 5th gen Core i7 5500U up to 2.4 gigahertz, and it has a NVIDIA GeForce 840M graphics card. But this laptop is quite good. It's quite good for light gaming purpose. But as for my use case, right, I want a laptop that is like, you know, is better, and it also quite latest, but maybe I'm gonna buy a gaming laptop, maybe at least those Lenovo IdeaPad gaming. I'm not gonna buy those like Asus stuff or all those Lenovo Legion, Alienware, Dell Alienware. I ain't buying this, because also plus Asus ROG, because too gamer to me, because I don't game that much, and also because this brand I'm starting to hate already, because the materials, I mean the build quality is like, as you can know, it's all plastic built, so it's really cheap and nasty, really like quite nasty lah. So if you see the newer Acer laptop, right, the keyboard, if you try to type type an essay on Word or all those things, it's really cheap and nasty to. It's a worst experience on those newer Acer laptops. So I'm going to a newer laptop, maybe a gaming laptop, I don't know. Stay tuned. Or you can see on the techie board, which Luf bought a new laptop, which is a Gigabyte laptop. Mr. Editor, you can put the photo that you want to put. I don't know. Specs I'm gonna put on the photos also. Yeah. Anyways, back to the downgrade process. I'm downgrading from this Acer to the HP, but the storage I can't. For the 512, 500 gig Samsung SSD on this laptop, I want to transfer from this to this, but I have to use the software called, called the Macron Reflect, which you can take the main primary partition on the SSD that you install, the SSD or your mechanical hard disk on that. So for now I can do the RAM downgrade. I can downgrade to 16 to 8 gigs, and also I have to like take out the hard disk caddy and then transfer to this HP laptop, and also downgrade the Acer, the hard disk caddy to a CD drive, which I still keep. Lucky I didn't sell it away. And I think I say about the hard disk caddy to a CD caddy. RAM I have said already, I downgrade 16 to 8 gigs, and also maybe I can drop the Wi-Fi AC Wi-Fi card, and upgrade to this HP, and also 8 to 16 gigs, and then adding the hard disk caddy. So well, anyways, let's start the downgrading process. As for the SSDs, maybe I have to hold on first, so yeah, let's start the downgrade process. As of currently, what I am doing, I'm transferring the 8GB RAM module and the 802.11n Wi-Fi card from my HP to the Acer laptop. Additionally, also repeating the same process for the Acer laptop, which has the 60GB RAM module and the 802.11 AC Wi-Fi transfer onto the HP laptop. Moving on to the next process, the HDD caddy, which previously on the Acer laptop is now transferred to the HP laptop with a minor few tweaks, such as the CD bezel needed to be transferred onto the HDD caddy, and the CD drive is added back to the Acer laptop where it should be originally. After I have finished transferred the 60GB RAM module and the Wi-Fi AC card, which is taken from the Acer laptop, fingers crossed, I try to turn on and it doesn't show the post screen. Well, still, could be worse. Alright, as it turns out, the reason why it doesn't show the post screen is because after you initially install the RAM, it will do some kind of memory training to initialize first and also detect the capacity and stuff. After I have done transferring the 16GB RAM module, by the way, is 2 8GB DDR3 RAM and the Wi-Fi AC card. Now it correctly detects the 16GB RAM, the Seagate hard disk fitted onto the HDD caddy, and the Wi-Fi card, which helps to improve the Wi-Fi speed as shown in this clip. So as for the clear external HDD, which contains a bunch of my technical port footage, where to put the footage in my ass? Introducing the Acer Aspire 5755, where I'm gonna use this laptop to put all of the techie port footage and use the Toshiba hard disk to clone the HP laptop to the Toshiba hard drive so that I can keep the operating system itself. And you wait to the end, it did not work cause yeah, I don't want to brag too much about the cloning process. For now, I'm going to hot glue this CD bezel on the CD drive. So I'm gonna do this off camera because it's gonna take forever to glue it. So I'm not gonna bore you of it. So yeah, let's continue doing it, shall we? After I have finished transferring the footage into the Acer Aspire 5755 internal hard disk and attaching the CD bezel to the CD drive, time to continue to do the cloning / migrating the HDD / SSD and installing the CD drive back to the Acer Travelmate P246-MG. Wow, Acer, what a great naming scheme that you have.
I've chosen my path. Oh, what's this? I finally read this helplessness. Tired of feeling like I'm upside down. So I'm gonna turn it all around to know. Oh, and dear God, save my soul 'cause it is blood. Tired of feeling like I'm upside down. So
Alright, I have done transfer the 256 gig SSD onto this Acer already, plus the 8 gigs of RAM, and I downgrade the Wi-Fi card from the Wi-Fi end from the HP to the, then I put into this Acer, then the AC Wi-Fi I put onto the HP. But there's one major roadblock, right? Is that it does not want to boot onto this SSD because maybe it's because I screw up the partition and all these things. I didn't this partition that I originally put onto the HP, it doesn't have the EFI system partition, so which means that it can't like able to boot this this SSD. And lesson learned, this is my tactic: do not ever screw up your partition because if you screw up any partition, do not touch the partition, just leave it as is. And just leave the partition as is. You just do like your normal like cloning but mine is doing differently because I this one I 256, this one 500 gig. And for the cloning processor, you need a SSD or a HDD which has the same capacity, like example 500 gig hard disk. You need a 500 gig hard disk. And yeah, mine is different, 500 gig and 256. This is very messy. If you see the previous episode on how I transfer the SSD 156 to the 500 gig onto this Acer for last time, I tell you, avoid watching that video because this is super confusing. And well, I'm gonna do this off camera. And yeah, I'm not going to show you this because this video is getting longer. I don't want to make it this longer. So by the way, maybe I'm gonna end this video. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and also hit that bell notification so that you won't miss out this type of video what I'm doing. So that's it for this video, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye bye.